These are Toryn's angry birds. Hey Toryn, how many angry birds have you got?
Oh, red one, green one, red one, blue one, black one, white one, red one, red one, red ones, red one.
What colour's that one?
Yellow, white.
Yellow. That doesn't tell me how many there are though. Hey Toryn, where'd you go? Toryn! 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 Oh, you're not Toryn, are you? No.
Yeah.
There you are. Hey, what do you do with the angry birds, Toryn?
Fish them.
You squish them. What happens if I push down on one of their heads? Does it go? Okay, does it go? I think the angry birds are making you very, very angry, Toryn.
No, you made me.
I made you angry.
No.
What are you saying? No. What's the matter?
No, me setting them up and down.
Did I wreck the order, did I? Yeah, we can't move them out of line, can we? We just can't. We just can't. We've got to have an order, don't we? Okay.
Yes.